Now we need to work out the volume of the enclosure, the area to be protected, in order to give us the correct amount of tubing, which would then obviously give us the correct amount of chemical to extinguish a fire inside. So we do a very simple calculation. Go to your consumer unit or your enclosure, measure the width, in this case 0.25, 25 centimeters, multiplied by the height, 0.23, multiplied by the depth, 0.11. So we multiply those three together, that gives us 0.0063 cubic meters. Multiply that by 25 and that gives us the length of tubing required in meters. So that would be 0.158. So approximately 16 centimeters of tubing. Now, so 16 centimeters of tubing would be adequate for that enclosure. But I know because of the width is 25, I'm going to fit the biggest size I can within the consumer unit, so 24 centimeters. That's 24 centimeters tube, and that would go nicely inside that consumer unit. And then we know we've got adequate protection. Now, to fit it, comes with clips, P-clips around the tube, a nylon nut, washer and bolt. And we simply remove the lid. Obviously, get an electrician to do this unless you're competent or comfortable doing it. So what we're going to do is mark two holes in the top, equal distance apart. And then with a 5mm drill, just drill through the top of the consumer unit. Once you've drilled your holes, use the nut, the bolt and the P-clip to secure the tube in the top of the consumer unit and then replace the lid. It's as easy as that. If you've got any questions whatsoever on fitting or calculating the size or how it should be attached, please feel free to email me on the email address below. Thanks very much.